Hello and welcome to this tutorial on adding a percentage symbol to numbers in Excel without altering their actual values. This is a common task, and it's important to do it correctly to ensure your data remains accurate. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Excel workbook and navigate to the worksheet containing the numbers you want to format. Begin by selecting the cells that you wish to display with a percentage symbol. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the cells or by clicking on a column or row header if you want to select entire columns or rows. Once you've selected the appropriate cells, right-click on the selection to open the context menu. From this menu, choose Format Cells. This action will open the Format Cells dialog box, where you can specify how you want your numbers to be displayed. In the Format Cells dialog box, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Number tab to access various formatting options. Within this tab, select Custom from the list on the left. This option allows you to create a custom number format that suits your needs. Now, in the Type field on the right, you'll enter a custom format code. To add a percentage symbol without changing the actual value of the numbers, type 0 and then / and then a % symbol into this field. This code tells Excel to display the number followed by a percentage symbol without modifying the number itself. For example, if the cell contains the number 50, it will display as 50%. After entering the custom format code, click OK to apply the formatting to your selected cells. You'll notice that the numbers now appear with a percentage symbol, but their underlying values remain unchanged. This method ensures that your data is presented clearly without any unintended alterations. It's important to note that this formatting is purely visual. The actual numeric values in the cells haven't been modified, so any calculations or analyses you perform using these numbers will be based on the original data. That's it. Thanks for watching.